Lotus, what is your name? Who is this? Who is this? What have we here? Jane. Are you an artist?
Yeah.
And who's your friend?
Helen.
Are you an artist? Well, show us what you're doing. Can you show me your work? Show us. I'm going to film it. Tell me what you have. What do you have, Jane?
Nina in a stroller with a rattle.
Oh, who's Nina?
Nina the baby. Mommy, that's you.
Let's see. Oh, she's beautiful.
You have a necklace.
That's a beautiful necklace. What's she holding in her hand?
Balloons.
Balloons. And who else is back there? Helen, tell us what you're painting. What are you painting? Helen, show me your picture, Helen. Pick it up and show it to me. And what is that?
Helen.
What's it a picture of? Tell me all about it.
Helen.
What's it a picture of?
Helen.
It's a picture of Helen. Oh, look at you. You're very colorful.
Yeah.
Wonderful. And who do you have over there, Jane? Don't get too close.
This is me.
Who do you have over there?
This is me.
You. Oh, you're lovely. And what are you doing in the picture?
I'm just walking.
You're just walking? Oh, and who else is over there by Helen? Addie, what are you doing? Let's see. Hike. Who are these guys here? And you don't have to bring the Okay, that's far enough. I can't focus it. Who are they?
Uncle Alan and Aunt Kyle.
Oh, and what are they doing?
Flying balloons.
Oh, fun. So what else is going on over there? You've been painting up quite a storm here.
Isn't it beautiful?
It's wonderful, all of this artwork. Okay, well, don't let me interrupt. Go ahead, keep painting.
When are we going to bring them? Well, look, Dad's wearing jeans.
Oh. How come? Is he going to go work out in the yard?
Now he's going for a hike.
Oh, he's handsome.
Very handsome. Jane's wearing red jeans. Those are my red hiking pants.
Oh. Well, are you all finished, or are you still going to paint?
I'm all finished.
You're all finished.
Everybody's going for a hike. That's one balloon. But Daddy and me have none.
Helen, are you still painting, or are you all finished?
Fish.
You're all finished? Taking a break? I guess we should get cleaned up.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Go see Aunt Lori.
Clean up this mess?
Are we going to go over to Aunt Lori's house?
Honey, not today. We don't have a car.
Oh.
We could pretend.
Um,
There's Helen with her balloon and Cousin Bobby kicking a soccer ball.
and
Who's this little blue girl here with the pigtails?
Rosie.
Rosie. And who are you painting now, Jane?
Mew.
What's she doing?
Riding on a horse.
Oh.
How come you didn't know?
Well, let's get a little closer. Great horse. Helen, who are you painting?
I'm painting Dadu.
You're painting Dadu?
Yeah.
That's a good face. Where are his eyes? Does he have eyes?
Yeah.
He needs a body. Where's his body?
Body.
Can you give him some arms and legs, Helen? That's a good, strong pony.
He's a strong color one.
Yeah.
Here's Dadu.
Oh, good. That's a good picture of Dadu. Oh, I see you're drawing his shirt. Does Dadu wear a tie? Or is that a golf shirt? It's a golf shirt. Why don't you give him a golf club to hold? Where's the golf ball? Is there a golf ball? Well, I don't know. There's the golf club. Good job.
I'm decorating.
You're decorating the horse?
Uh-huh. Decorating it. Put it out. Ah!
Looks like you've got your paint all mixed together. What colors do you have there?
Here's Dadu.
Dadu? Let's see. Let me get a close-up.
Here's his.
Well, tell me about him. What's he doing there?
This. This.
What's that?
No, a hair.
His hair. Okay, he needs hair.
He has hair all over his face.
He does, doesn't he? Maybe he grew a beard.
Yeah. And
Maybe you can help Helen out, Jane. Maybe he needs some more color. Oh, there are his eyes. Now I see.
Oh no, his golf ball.
Oh, that's his golf ball. No?
His hand.
It's his hand, so he can hold the golf club. He needs that. Okay.
He is. Blue eyes. Blue nose. Blue mouth. Red. Here's that. Red. I'm gonna make that too.
Okay.
I got yucky hands too.
Well, you know where the rag is. Does he have feet, Helen? Is he wearing shoes, or does he play golf barefoot?
Here's his tie.
Good job.
Here's his tie playing golf.
Oh,
His tie needs golf things too.
okay. Just watch out for the garage door. We'll clean it when you're finished. So, did we finish all our friends here?
No, somebody I'm forgetting in the back of the house again at the art studio.
Bye.
Bye.